Eric, with regard to Trend Financial's Better Than Bank car loans, I understand you have a flexible car loan program. What is that all about?
So we essentially have something what we call our buy-up program. Our buy-up essentially allows the client to custom make their loan by choosing their term, essentially choosing their rate, and there's going to be a cost associated to it for the client. So for example, if you go to a bank right now, if you're looking at a vehicle that's a 2004, for example, you can typically only repay that loan in about 12 months. But if you're looking for a vehicle that's, let's say, $30,000, that's a 2004, the bank will say you might be approved at a low prime rate, but you have to pay it over 12 months. So to pay $30,000 over 12 months, including interest, is going to be close to $3,000 per month. So what a client can do with us is not only we're more flexible on the terms, but what we allow our clients to do is to also play with their security deposit, and by increasing it, we allow them to buy up into better terms, into better interest rates. The more security that they provide, we're willing to grant the client a lot more flexibility. And that's one of the specialties that we offer that no other lenders offer. So if somebody went to the bank, and even if he got that low rate, but he's monthly payment sensitive, then even if he's approved, it still might not be fitting for him. But if someone comes to us, if they're more payment sensitive, that they're okay paying a few points higher on the interest rate, but they can't pay $3,000, they can pay $800. That's where we're optimal for the clients, because we'll allow them to pay that $2,004, $30,000 car over 4 or 5 years. And for us, we ended up finding a decent amount of clients that are payment sensitive as opposed to just interest rate sensitive.
And what if a client wants to do something different 18 months into the loan? Is there ongoing flexibility?
So there's a few things that we do 18 months into the loan. The first thing is, if a client is considered one of our higher risk clients, if they're perfect with us for 18 months, we also provide them the ability to do an in-house refinancing with us. As long as they've been perfect with us, we'll actually drop their interest rate 18 months into the loan. But other abilities outside of that, we also have the ability for a client to start paying down their loan early. So if they want to try to save on interest, they can always pay additional amounts.
So a Better Than the Bank car loan from Trend Financial would be a good thing to have with regard to inherent flexibility. If someone wanted flexibility in setting up the loan and ongoing flexibility.
That's correct. What we're looking to do is we're trying to help the client and provide them a lot more cash flow abilities, where they don't need to be concerned with the stringent requirements of a bank that something needs to be paid back with this amount for this amount of time. We offer greater flexibility, which might be slightly more expensive, but for the client, sometimes it's a lot easier to pay $500 a month as opposed to $2,000 a month. And a lot of people, they may want to choose that flexibility and choose that convenience, which the bank doesn't even offer that as an option.